Before we start our lesson, we pray dulu ya. We pray together first. Okay. We pray together. Pray, start, finish. Okay. Hi, students. Nice to see you. Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, students. Yeah. How do you feel? Are you ready for our class? How do you feel?
Good.
Good afternoon.
Feel great? Feel great?
Yes.
Great.
Is it okay there?
Okay.
Okay. Now, before I want to see the attendance of you, there are 13. There are 12 students here now. Okay. Hello, Angie. Hello,
Hello, ma'am.
Aileen. Hi, Putri. Okay,
Hello.
Fatah Rizky, Dahlia, Irfan, Muliska Rahman, Nursoba, hi Jackie. And then we still waiting for the other. Okay. Never mind, we continue and we hope for the other friends can join with us here. Okay. Now, I will open my slide. What we want to learn today, it's about, what about? Do you know? Our lesson today is about description text of about my house. Yeah, description text about my house. Yeah, we want to describe about our house, part of our house. Apa saja sih yang ada di dalam rumah kita? Oke, wait. Oke, Mem buka dulu ya, Mem. I want to share screen first. Oke, let me click. Oh yeah, first I want to tell you about our rules. Our rules before we study, before we are going to the next lesson. Please open your camera and let me see your face. Let me see your smile. It make me to motivate ma'am to learn you. Ya, oke, ma'am buka dulu ya. Oke, description text about my house ya. Di situ ya. Oke, ini ya. Oke. Kodenya ada di, kalian bisa klik join kodenya, and then you can do the activity together with ma'am here di classroom-nya ya. Okay. Now I want to open the first activity is our attendance. Yeah, you can join our attendance. Okay, you can click it. Yeah, some of you are already there. Okay, thank you. Thank you, some of you are already there. Okay, now we are going to the second of our activities. Okay, we watch the video.
Living room.
We rest in the room.
Attic.
The cat is chasing a mouse in the attic.
Attic. Bedroom.
We sleep in the bedroom.
Bedroom. Bathroom.
We take a bath in the bathroom.
Bathroom.
Okay, what is the topic of the video, class? What is talking about?
It's about my house.
Okay, that's about my house. Now, okay, next, the activity of the next activities is we check to the next. Okay, apa saja yang kalian tadi yang kalian ketahui, benda-benda that we can find in the living room, in the bedroom, in the kitchen. Okay, Billy, do you know Billy? Do you know one of the things? Okay, Jackie, is there of you? Okay, we wait for the other. Kayaknya sudah ada yang satu saja yang berhasil. Kayaknya sedang balapan nih. You can do it. You can pull. Refrigerator. Good. Thank you. Next. Now we are going to the next activities. Activities for now. Yeah, part of the house. Can you see it now? Yes, part of the house.
Yes.
I will make it zoom. According to the number one, the room where people eat meals.
Dining room.
Dining room.
Dining room.
Yes, good. Dining room. Dining room. Good. Now we are going to the next. To the last one is, we still 2 points there. 3 points. It's cover the house. Katanya menutupi rumah. See picture number 2. Nah, paling paling atas.
Roof.
Yes, roof.
Yes.
Now we continue to the next activities. I live in a small house. It's located in Arjuna Street, Milky Town. There is a large yard in front of my house. My father plants a mango tree there. Okay. You can read it. The third paragraph, please.
Berapa, Miss?
Third, yang ketiga. The third paragraph. When you enter my house.
When you enter my house, you will see a small living room with the 3 chair and flower on the table.
Okay, can you read it? Kita baca sama-sama ya. Disturb me.
Disturb me.
Ya,
Disturb me.
Ya, bukan
That's me.
Ya, disturb me. Okay, then ya tadi ada yang bacanya studi. Yang benar apa? Studi atau?
Study.
Yes,
Study.
study. Okay, now we are going to the 6 activities. Yeah, we are going make a map of your house. Membuat peta rumahmu. Tadi kan kita sudah lihat ada peta. Kalian bisa buat peta rumah kalian. Siapa tetangga kalian? Who is your neighbor? Siapa orang yang di samping rumah kalian? You make with a pencil color. Make a map around your house in your notebook. Bisa in your notebook. Use your pencil color. Okay? Use your pencil color. Buat sebagus mungkin. Jadi kalian gambar rumah kalian. Siapa tetangga kalian? Apakah di depan rumah kalian? Apa bangunan apa yang ada di depan rumah kalian? We make it ya. Coba kalian buat. I will give you 10 minutes to do it ya. Okay. Jika ada yang sudah finish, boleh share screen sama Mem. Okay, Dahlia sudah buat nih. Ya. Okay, nice Dahlia. Don't forget to submit it to me, Dahlia ya. Okay. Nice. Okay, thank you Dahlia. Thank you for trying. Okay, jalan-jalannya. Okay. Next, we are going to the next activity. Kita lanjut ke aktivitas berikutnya. Nah, this is. Can you see it ya? Okay. Di situ katanya, lihat ya, ini caranya ya. This is how to give information about the direction, belok kanan, belok kiri, and then we can go to the place that we want to visit. Okay, pertama, go straight. Katanya, go straight on Elm Street, katanya jalan lurus, go straight on Elm Street, lihat in Elm Street, and then pass the park, katanya lewati taman, pass the park. Habis itu belok kanan. Bahasa Inggrisnya belok kanan apa tadi belok kanan? What is the English of belok kanan?
Strike.
Go straight. Okay, the activities yang ke-8 already there. Yeah. In the activity H, arrange this paragraph, menyusun paragraf, ya. Okay, yang A, part A, my house. The second room is a family room. The family room, di sini ada tertulis the second room.
The
Lihat
second
pakai.
room is the
The
room.
first room. The first room. Lihat
The
yang
first room.
my house is located. My house is
My
located.
house.
Yeah. The next activity on the 9th. Okay. This is the time for you to write down, menulis, to write a description text. Buatlah sesederhana mungkin, ya semampu kalian dengan kalimat yang sederhana saja seperti kita udah pelajari tadi. On the right side of my house, bagaimana situasinya, there is a garden kah, bagaimana gardennya, jadi kalian jelaskan ya. Oke, I will, tadi mem sebelumnya sudah mem bagi kelompok ya, sudah mem chat WA kelompoknya masing-masing. Ini kelompok 1, 2, oke, kelompok 1 Zaki Dahlia Gilat ya, kelompok 2 Putri Cinta ya. I give you 15 minutes about this one. Oke. Ada yang sudah share? Ada yang mau berbagi? Oke, how to write. Oke, tunggu ya. Oke. Zaki, is there you?
Yeah.
Okay, can you read it please?
Yeah.
The text of kelompok 1. The first one.
I live in a house with my family. My house is not too big. When you go in, you can find a hall. On the right, there is a kitchen opposite the entrance door. There is a sitting room, and the left there is a corridor to the bedroom and the bathroom.
Oke. Thank you. Oke, kayaknya Dahlia katanya pulsanya tinggal sedikit katanya Dahlia di sini. Saya tidak bisa masuk, mem, karena paket saya tidak mencukupi. Oke, never mind. We feel so sorry about Dahlia. Sorry ya, kelompok 1 ya. Dahlia wifi-nya sedang gangguan. Oke, kalian. Oke, dari aktivitas 1 sampai aktivitas terakhir, kita mau baca materinya apa sih yang sudah kita pelajarin, activities yang mengenai terkait materi apa sih, mem, yang sudah kita pelajari ini, mem? Materi apa ini yang sudah kita pelajarin hari ini? Oke. Nah, yang kita pelajarin itu apa? Descriptive text about my house. It's a text that explain about what a house is. Ya, yang kita pelajari sekarang mengenai teks terkait rumah saya. Jadi kita menjelaskan bagaimana sih kondisi rumah kita. Jadi kalian how to describe, you know how to describe about your house. Next, language feature yang tadi kita baca di descriptive text-nya tadi udah 2 contoh. Descriptive text yang kita baca katanya di situ jelas ada objek yang kita deskripsikan, ya. And then has a certain object, yes. Use adjective verbs. Katanya tadi ada big house, beautiful, ada small, ya. It's part of the adjective verbs. And then yang kita juga tadi ada simple present. Tadi kita sudah baca tadi, this is my house, there are some sofas, my rooms have a carpet, ya. Itu menjelaskan tentang use simple present. Then use action verb. Nah, tadi di situ a room to sleep, mom, a room to eat, a room to to play, itu bukan mem salah tulis, to play, ada to cook, ya. Itu juga menggunakan, jadi dalam deskripsi itu saat kita membuat descriptive text terkait my house, kita juga menggunakan use action verb. That's about the language feature-nya. Kemudian, nah ini tadi generic structure-nya, tadi kita sudah pelajari cara menyusun di bagian ada tadi kita menyusun paragraf. Lihat yang pertama, the first paragraph itu adalah to identify about the house, to introduce the place, the house that we want to describe. Jadi kita harus beri dulu semacam penjelasan, semacam introduction-nya dulu ya, maksudnya penjelasannya dulu. Rumah saya bagaimana, besar, kecil, cozy itu artinya nyaman kah, apa, itu jadi modelnya kayak semacam introducing dulu pada awal teks. Itulah kegiatan kita sepanjang saat ini, ya, terkait dengan materi yang sudah kita pelajari tadi. Semoga apa yang kita pelajari bermanfaat buat kita untuk kelanjutannya. Next, sebelum kita mengakhiri kelas kita berdoa dulu ya. Oke, pray, start, finish. Oke, thank you student.
Okay, thank
Have
you,
a nice
ma'am.
day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Have a nice
you.
day.